Hey, this is Jeremy here in the Maryland Guitar Academy studio, and today we're going to be talking about open chords. Open chords are some of the most common chords that you will encounter as a guitar player, and they're really a great starting point if you're just getting started on the guitar. These are chords that are played very commonly in popular music, rock and roll, country music, and if you want to play that kind of music, these are going to be great chords to build a solid foundation. So in this video series, I'm going to have a short video on each of the different open chords that we're going to talk about. And then once you have a firm grasp on those chords, you can start to string them together and play what's called a chord progression. So more to come.